Meaning of dodgem.
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 Dodgem. Dodgem is a term used to describe a type of amusement park ride that features small electric cars moving around an arena, often with the intention of bumping into other cars in a playful way. The cars are equipped with wheels and a motor, making them easy to maneuver around the arena. The goal of the ride is to avoid getting hit by other cars while trying to bump into them yourself. Overall, the dodgem ride provides a fun and exciting experience for those who enjoy amusement park rides and games.